You're spending $1,000 on a professional product shoot. The photographer is talented, the studio looks great, and a week later you open the folder and half of the shots you needed are not even there. Wrong hero angle, no packaging shot, lifestyle images that don't really match your brand. So now you're looking for a second shoot, which means more emails, more delays, and more money. Well, here's the truth. Photography isn't the expensive part. Bad planning is the expensive part. That's exactly why we built FrameBrief, a photography brief builder that gives your photographer everything they need before they even unpack your product. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll build a complete brief from scratch so you can see exactly how it works. The interface has 3 parts: your profile, where you can set your name, your company, and your email, so the photographer always knows who the brief is from. Product tabs are at the top. There you can manage briefs for multiple products from one workspace and switch between them instantly. And the product prep checklist is on the right. This tells your photographer exactly what's in the shipment: the product, retail packaging, accessories, the manual, and a backup sample in case anything arrives damaged. Let's brief a real product. This RGB tube clock, a retro steampunk style desk clock. So add the product name, set the marketplace to Amazon US, and set the shooting date. That's the deadline your photographer plans around. Now the core of FrameBrief, the shot list. Every shot is defined the same way. You can pick a category, whether hero, packaging, angles, details, or lifestyle. Set the camera angle and choose the background. In this case, we're using pure white because these are Amazon gallery images. You need something specific? You can always add reference pictures. Paste a link to the product with the angle you want, or upload your own image. So no more describing angles over email and hoping the photographer reads your mind. Now save the shot and it drops it into the list. Now repeat for every image your listing needs. Then give the photographer some context. For example, the product goal. In this case, we're going with a premium minimal presentation. Set the target audience: designers, gamers, home office professionals. And let's set the visual direction as well. In this case, we're looking for clean white backgrounds with maximum white space for compositing. And if a shot needs a model, say a hand holding the clock, FrameBrief opens a dedicated model section that also has age range, environment, look, expression, and pose. Everything a lifestyle shoot needs defined up front. As you complete each shot, Brief Readiness tracks your progress. If something's missing, you'll be able to see before the photographer does. At 100%, you're already done. Now hit Export, PDF, CSV, or JSON. One click and you've got a clean professional document ready to send. One brief, 0 missed shots, no second photo shoot. That's FrameBrief. Try it out today.